Hello guys, it is Shivam here. In this video, I will explain you how to publish the app in Google Play Store, and also I will walk you through each step, making it breeze to get your app out there and into the hands of millions users worldwide. So let's get started.
As you can see, I have created the demo calculator app here. Now I will publish this app on Google Play Store. I also recommend you to follow this doc of how to build and release the Flutter app. So our first point is adding a launcher icon in the app. So let's move to the Google search bar and write a launcher icon generator here and click on the top link. You can see here we can create the icons for our app. Now click on the image button, then select your image. After selecting the image, you can see the image here, and now you can apply the filter according to your requirements such as padding, background color, scaling, shape, etc. Now download the file and unzip the file. Now copy the PNG file and paste in images folder. Now rename the PNG file according to your convenience. So I'm writing the file name logo.png. Now moves to the perspec.yaml file and we need to add Flutter launcher icon package. So now copy the Flutter launcher icon from here and paste it on perspec.yaml file. And now press on Command plus S key to run the package in the app. Also, we need to copy some of the code and paste it on the perspec.yaml file to access the icon for both Android and iOS. So just paste below the dev dependencies. Now also make the Android to true to get the icon for both Android and iOS. Also change the image path to images slash logo.png. So it's done now. We need to run the sum command to run the Flutter icon package. Now Flutter pub get to get all the packages in the app. So Flutter pub run Flutter dash launcher dash icons colon main. Now press enter and wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, we have successfully generated the launcher icon here. So it is done now. So now let's move to the second point, which is signing the app. So go to the Android folder and we need to create the file name key.properties. As you can see on the doc, we need to copy the sum code and paste it here. On store password, you can give any random password, and same for the key password. So I'm writing the random store password here. And same for the key password. On store file, as you can see, we need the key store file location. So we will go to the doc again and move to the third point, which is basically to create and upload the key store. So as I am using the Mac, I will copy the code from here and paste it on terminal and press enter. Now enter the random key store password and re-enter that password again. On my case, press enter on each case and write yes at this command. Press enter. Now enter the key password for upload. As you can see that we have successfully created upload keystore.jks file. Now move to the file location, then move this file to the Android app folder. Also update the store file location. Now let's move to the fourth point and copy the code and paste it on the Android app build.gradle file. As you can see, we need to copy that before the Android block. Now copy the build types code in release mode and paste on the same file. So it is done. Now we need to create the app release.aab file so that we can upload the app in Play Store. So write the few commands: flutter clean, flutter pub-get, flutter build app bundle. So as you can see, we have successfully created release file, and now let's go to the file location and minimize this bar because we need this file when we upload the app to the store. So let's move to the Google Play console to upload to the store. So click on the create button at the top. Now give your app name. So I'm writing the calculator app here. You can select the default language. So my app is English, so I select it to English. Now select between the app or game. So I am selecting the app here. So is your app is free or paid? Though my app is free, so selecting it to free. Now accept the two policies and create the app. So app has been created. Now move to the main store listing to add the more details. Write a short description about your app which you want to show on the store. So I am writing a simple calculator app made using Flutter and a full description about the app which you want to show on the store. Now move to the graphics, and now we need to upload the app icon and make sure it should be on PNG or JPG file up to 1 MB and fix the size as you can see here. Click on the upload button and get the icon to upload. Now you need to upload the feature graphics. Basically it looks something like the banner as you can see on the screen. Now click on the upload button to upload the image. Also you can see the image should be in PNG or JPG file up to 15 MB and should be a fixed size. Now you need to upload the screenshot of the app. So you need to upload minimum 2 images here. So it is done. Other things are not so important. So click on the save. After clicking on save, we can see that we have successfully changed the app logo here. Now let's move to the store setting and we need to change the app category. So click on edit. Now select a category. So I'm selecting education here. Now click on save, as we need to also add the tags here. So though my app is calculator app, so I'm selecting calculator here. There are many more tags, you can choose them according to your need. Now click on apply button. Now we need to add some contact detail, as email address is necessary, so I will add email address here. Now click on save. So it is done. As you can see, there are many testing methods which are available, like open testing, closed testing and internal testing. As we need to upload the app to the store, so I will click on production mode and go to create a new release. Now click on choose signing key. Now use Google generated key here. It will create a generated key automatically. Now we can upload the app release.aab file here. So just wait for a few seconds until it is done. So as you can see, app bundle has successfully been uploaded. Now we need to change some release note here. Whenever you make any update in the app, you can add the release note here. Now click on next. So as you can see, here are 7 errors. So we'll fix them one by one. So though my app doesn't has advertising ID, so I will click on no. Now move to the app content and we need to fill all this detail. Click on privacy policy, as we need to add the privacy policy link of the app. I will provide you one link on the description box from where you can create the privacy policy for your app. So I am opening that link and now copy the complete doc from here. Now go to your GitHub profile and create a new repository there. Now give your repository name. So I am writing here calculator dash privacy. I am making in public mode. Now click on create repository. So go in creating a new file. Now paste the code here and make sure where it is written app name, you should replace that with your app name as you can see on the screen. So I am replacing that with my app name, which is a calculator app. Also at the email portion you should add your email. So I am writing my email here. Now give your file name, so it will be privacy dash policy dot md file. Now commit changes, again commit changes. So as you can see, we have successfully created privacy policy.md file. Now copy the link and paste it here. Now click on save. As you can see, if your app contain ad, so you can click on yes. Though my app doesn't contain any ad, so I am clicking on no. Now click on save again. Now go to the app access and you can see here two options. If your app has any functionality which has restriction, then you can choose a second one. If your app doesn't have any restriction, then choose the first point. So as my app doesn't have any restriction, so I am choosing the first point here. Now click on save again. Now go on content rating and start a questionnaire. Now give your email address here. Now select a category. Click on next. Now answer all the questions here. Now click on save. Go on next. So it is done. Now go back and give your target audience age. Now give your app detail. If your app contain any personal or sensitive information, then click on yes. Though my app doesn't contain any personal and sensitive information, so I'm clicking on no. Select the term and go on next. Again go on next. Though my app doesn't include any teacher approved program, so I'm clicking on that. Now click on next and save. If your app is a news app, you can select it yes, but my app is a calculator app, so I'm selecting it no. Now if your app is related to any COVID-19 terms, then you can select any of them, but my app doesn't contain anything related to COVID-19, so I'm selecting the last option and click on save again. Now go back. Now move to data safety. If your app contain anything that related to the user data safety or it collect any user data, then you can click on yes. So my app doesn't collect any user data, so I'm clicking at no. If your app is developed on the behalf of a government, then you can click on yes, otherwise no. So I'm clicking at no, then click on save again. Now we have filled all the details. So let's move to the production mode again. Now click on the countries and you can add the country according to your choice where you want to show your app. Now if you want to show your app to all the countries, so click on the top option that select all the country around the world. Now click on save again. Now click on edit release button at the top. Now click on next again. Again on save. Go to the publishing overview and send the 14 changes for a review. Now let's move to the dashboard. And go to the home page. And now as you can see here, we have successfully uploaded our app to the store. You can see the update status in review. This means your app will have successfully submitted to a Google team who will review your app in next 48 hours and upload your app to the store. If you like my video, do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.